Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis here, RJO Futures headquarters, downtown Chicago. Happy Friday to everybody. Here to talk to you about the grain markets today. The corn market is down one. The soybean market is up one, and the wheat market is unchanged this morning. So the only grain market that's trading parabolically higher is the oat market. It's gone from 340 to 440 in a couple of weeks' time. So I think what's going on there is that Canada is the biggest oat producer, and there's a rail shortage, and they're not able to move the oats around. It seems like crude oil is taking precedent over grain movement up there to our great neighbor to the north. Similar to the propane market, out east the last couple of weeks, there's propane around. It's just not where it's supposed to be. So there are oats around. They're just not where they're supposed to be. And the General Mills and the Kellogg's of the world who need to buy oats have really had to pay up here this morning. So the corn market, there's a 2-cent range. So not a lot of news. Export sales yesterday morning, every Thursday morning we get export sales. Just blew the doors off in corn and wheat in the export sales yesterday. So look for that to continue. We're at a 3-year low here in the corn market, and very good opportunity for the rest of the world to come and buy our corn. That's what we need, is more demand in these grain markets. So moving along, the soybean market, we're up one here today, and you know, it's there's not, usually every year we get 2-3 things going on in South America that get soybeans to rally. This year it's been different. It's been hot and dry in Argentina. We've talked about that, and that's about it. And the rains have come now, so it's been one of those years where there's not a lot of things going on to make the soybeans really pay attention and rally. So I like to say you buy the soybeans when they look the worst. And yesterday morning, March soybeans 1260, they looked bad, and we rallied and traded to 1285. So I think the key in the soybean market are these China's purchases of U.S. soybeans. They're all booked, and if they switch them over to from U.S. origin to China origin, then we sell off in the soybean market. If they don't, then we rally. And I kind of think March soybeans, you know, could go to 1330, something like that. Yesterday's high around 1285. So keep an eye on that. The wheat market, new contract lows. So Egypt, the biggest wheat buyer, we did sell them some of our wheat, so we are competitive on the wheat market, on the world market. So the wheat market, record short positions here, so be careful being short the wheats. And I want to leave you with this is, you know, I've been doing this 20, 30 years, and one thing I've been learned is that markets do the same thing over and over again because they're driven by human beings, people like you and me, and we don't ever change. Think about that. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors, and we'll talk to you next week. Thank you.